The journey to wealth. What is financial freedom and how to attain it? In a world where financial stress is all too common, many dream of achieving true financial freedom. But what exactly does it mean, and how can you attain it? Join us on a journey of discovery as we unravel the concept of financial freedom and explore practical steps to help you reach this coveted goal. In this enlightening video, we'll provide insights, strategies, and expert advice to set you on the path to financial independence and a life of greater abundance. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of more interesting upcoming content. Let's get started. What is financial freedom? Imagine a life where money worries are a thing of the past, where you're not tied down by debt and you can pursue your dreams with confidence. That is the essence of financial freedom. It's the ability to live on your terms, covering your needs and desires without the burden of financial constraints. It's the power to make choices aligned with your values and to chase your wildest dreams fearlessly. Discover how to break free from financial limitations and live life on your own financially empowered terms. Is financial freedom attainable or not? Is financial freedom just a dream, or can it become your reality? This burning question has captivated minds and hearts alike. The truth is, financial freedom is not an elusive mirage. It's within your grasp. With determination, smart financial choices, and a solid plan, you can unlock the doors to a life unburdened by financial worries. Imagine a world where you call the shots, where your dreams aren't hindered by money woes. It's a journey, a path that beckons you to take control of your finances and carve your own destiny. Yes, financial freedom is attainable, and it's yours for the taking. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline, commitment, and a solid plan. Here are some detailed steps and tips on how to attain financial freedom. Number 1. Create a financial plan. Step into financial success with a well-crafted roadmap. Your journey to financial freedom starts here, and it all begins with a killer financial plan. Step 1. Set financial goals. Set your sights on clear, achievable financial goals. Make them specific, measurable, and time-bound. Your dreams should be within reach. Step 2. Identify your sources of income. Identify your income sources: salary, investments, passive income. Know where the cash flows. Step 3. Determine expenses. Track every dime you spend, from the rent or mortgage to your late-night dining escapades. Step 4. Develop a budget. Once individuals have identified their income and expenses, they can develop a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines how much money should be spent in each category. It helps individuals stay on track with their goals. Number 2. Reduce and avoid debt. Debt can act as a significant roadblock on the path to financial freedom. Hence, it is imperative to minimize and steer clear of debt. Step 1. Pay off high-interest debt. A top priority should be tackling high-interest debt, particularly credit card balances. One effective strategy is making more substantial monthly payments, or alternatively, consolidating the debt into a loan with a lower interest rate. Step 2. Avoid new debt. To pave the way for financial freedom, it's crucial to resist accumulating fresh debt unless absolutely necessary, such as for significant investments like a mortgage or a car loan. Step 3. Consider debt consolidation. For those burdened by high-interest debt, an option worth considering is debt consolidation. This involves merging multiple debts into a single loan with a reduced interest rate. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund plays a pivotal role in the pursuit of financial independence. This fund acts as a financial safety net, ready to cushion the impact of unexpected expenses like medical bills or sudden unemployment. Step 1. Set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses. The objective should be to accumulate an amount equal to 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in this emergency fund. Achieving this goal entails dedicating a portion of one's monthly income to savings. Step 2. Keep funds easily accessible. Furthermore, it's essential to ensure that these funds remain readily accessible in times of urgency. Individuals can opt to store their emergency funds in savings or money market accounts for easy and swift access when needed. Number 4. Increase saving and investments. Step 1. Start saving early. The sooner people commit saving, the greater opportunity their funds have to expand. One can initiate the process by setting aside a modest portion of their earnings each month, and progressively augmenting it as time passes. Step 2. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. Company-sponsored retirement schemes, like 401k plans, offer a superb avenue for retirement savings. It is advisable for individuals to make the most of these plans and contribute to the fullest extent possible. Step 3. Consider additional investments. Moreover, individuals might contemplate supplementary investment options, including stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. It is crucial to routinely assess and modify investment strategies to ensure that they are in harmony with one's financial objectives. Number 5. Practice good financial habits. Finally, practicing good financial habits is essential for achieving financial freedom. Here are some habits that contribute to financial freedom. Step 1. Live below your means. Living within your means, meaning spending less money than you earn. This method assists in preventing excessive spending and enables you to save more money to work towards your financial goals. Step 2. Track spending. Monitoring your expenses is crucial for gaining insight into your financial outflows and identifying areas where you can reduce costs. People can make use of budgeting applications or spreadsheets to keep tabs on their spending and pinpoint potential areas for savings. Step 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Abstaining from impulsive purchases is another important practice. It is advisable for individuals to take the time to assess whether a purchase is essential and aligns with their financial aspirations before going through with it. Step 4. Review financial progress regularly. Regular reviews are beneficial for individuals in making necessary adjustments to their financial plans and investment strategies. Benefits of financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom comes with several benefits, both financial and personal. Here are some of the benefits of achieving financial freedom. Number 1. Improved quality of life. Achieving financial independence grants individuals the freedom to pursue their passions, travel, and enjoy quality time with family and friends. It empowers them to take breaks from work and dedicate themselves to personal growth and development, resulting in a more enriching and satisfying life. Number 2. Increase peace of mind. Having the assurance that you possess adequate resources to cover expenses and handle unexpected emergencies provides a sense of security and tranquility. This state of mind contributes positively to one's mental and emotional well-being, benefiting all aspects of life. Number 3. Reduce stress. Financial distress is a significant source of anxiety for many individuals, taking a toll on their mental and physical health. Financial independence removes the burden of financial worries, allowing people to concentrate on other facets of their lives without the added stress of financial instability. Number 4. Improved relationships. Financial pressures often lead to conflicts and strains in relationships. When individuals attain financial freedom, they can enjoy quality time with their loved ones without being preoccupied by financial concerns. This fosters stronger, healthier, and more gratifying relationships. Number 5. Financial benefits. Financial autonomy equips individuals with greater control over their financial resources, resulting in wiser financial decisions. It also opens doors to investment opportunities that can generate additional income and long-term financial stability. Additionally, it facilitates savings and wealth accumulation, ensuring a more comfortable retirement and the potential to leave a financial legacy for future generations. Once you achieve financial freedom, use your resources wisely to create the life you desire and give back to your community. Remember that the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a long-term perspective. Tailor these steps to your specific financial situation and goals, and with dedication, you can attain the financial freedom you aspire to. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for upcoming amazing content.